go dumbo. Super sick of what your ears flapping like a Dumbo. Beat that 808 is slapping, I'm the new Mutombo. Are we finished, are we done, I'm not the one to stun on. I got that, whoa, this the type of track you run on. This that once you hear this, you may never wanna come home. This that tell your shawty, watch it when the song come on. This that cannon about to murder every rapper, come on. Yeah, I'm gonna be standing in the street, bringing the heat, banging the beat, I'm confident. I'm gonna be flaming the G-Rap in the middle of the West, I'm wild with it. I'm a grind by, get the means, I gotta be, get it ready for the haters off. And I'm the venom, ripping instrumentals, beware, be cautious. I'm a gunner with a quickness, coming with a vicious juice up, loose up, I'm on a mission, get out the kitchen, y'all don't believe it with us, I'm trying to get ahead of my business. Keep with the faith, not to the big grind with the grace, get it down for the culture. Let's set it straight, who besides Doc and Derek, raise it up, soldiers. I'm chosen, name a couple artists that can rip the cannon hard out. Hadoken, hotter than a cup of coffee with the cream simmering. What's the commotion? He's a naked 40 cannon coming with the whole conglomerate. I'm posted, I'm dragging anybody coming for me, I'm a champion. They know this. What is y'all saying? Y'all don't want me to go, no sin, they go super saiyan. I go back up in the studio and then they get to praying, Lord Jesus, here you go again, here you go again. I'm shining, but no, not like my watch. You find Christ church like my heart. Yes, my hood, yes, my block. I don't want attention if I'm a rap, I'ma sit aside, but I want no props. I won't God, them see God, bless his body. We got flux, running everything, minute in the brain, getting in the heart, minute shining, what you kinda getting heavy in the game. And it ain't my strength, but the weekend is giving me growth and it's giving me power. Dang, man, it's not canon, it's Jesus up in this mainframe. Think, why would I steal his glory from the king? Dang. That's all I got. Psych! Never take it to the fire. Tryna walk with a word with the hill of my problems. Really wanna follow my father. Many take pain like a painkiller, killing my problem. He took it the hardest. You ain't never seen another king of the king get cut out. Cool in the summer with flame in the winter, cause we're running like dang. I ain't know we had thunder. Calling everybody my brothers. Hard in the pain for the king, set apart with an honor. Toting this dagger in armor. And about the truth to the hammer to guard him this fire. This beef in the fire is hotter than hell, plus battery acid. Burning your spirit more faster than rappers that's burning they cast. No, I cannot fathom. I ain't lying, I might go dumbo. Super sick of what your ears flapping like a Dumbo. Beat that 808 is slapping, I'm the new Mutombo. Are we finished? Are we done? I'm not the one to stun on.